Video, I'm going to show you how to copy your wallet address in OKX. So let's get started. Once you open your OKX, you click on the wallet, just scroll down and go and check which address you want to copy. Is it your USD, is it your BTC, is it your OKB, is it Ethereum, anyone? So if I want to copy my BNB, just click on the BNB, and right there your own personal address is going to pop up. Just click on copy, and this is it. Automatically it is copy, and you can go and paste it anywhere you want to paste it. And if there's an address that it is not there that you want it to do, just go there, click on more. Sorry for that, guys. And then if there's another one you wanted to do that you know that it is not there, what you can do is okay, so you can just copy anyone that is here. Now for example, the one that you want to copy is not there. What you can do is click on send. Once you click on send, you need to go and select a crypto. Okay, sorry for that, guys. So if there's another crypto that it is not there or any wallet, just click on, let me get you back on it. Just click on this icon here. Once you click on this icon, it's going to take you to manage, and you can just search for example, I want to search for my Solana wallet here, my software. You can see it's going to bring it here. This is SOE. Just click on it. Once you click on it, click on this plus money button here, and it's going to be added to your, and it's going to add it. And let's go and find it. We're going to see SOE. You can just click on it and you'll be able to copy your address on it. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.